Imagine your local Dallas auto repair shop hidden in the shadows of Google search, lost in the noise. Now, picture AI mode flipping the script like a digital superhero. AI doesn't just find customers, it predicts what they need before they even type. Suddenly, your favorite mechanic's phone is ringing non-stop. How? America's Best Shops agency steps in, unleashing AI-powered SEO magic. They decode Google's secret language and rocket repair shops to the top. But here's the twist. It's not just about clicks. It's about real connections. AI analyzes reviews, trends, and even local events, making your shop the neighborhood hero everyone trusts. Visualize a vintage car glowing under neon lights. That's your shop, shining bright online thanks to AI and expert marketers. This isn't the future, it's happening now in Dallas, Texas. So the next time your car sputters, ask yourself, is your mechanic visible or invisible in the AI era? Because if they're not online, do they really exist? Ready to unlock the power of AI for your business? What if your next customer is just one smart search away?